2 times in the past, I broke 2 of my YouTube channels because of making this one mistake. So I wanted to make this video so you could hopefully avoid making the same mistake, because I commonly see this in forums and in Facebook groups and on YouTube comments that people are going to do this to their channel thinking it's gonna help their channel. But instead, it completely stalls the growth of the channel and it takes a while to get going. And this video is gonna be pretty short. Basically, if you think you should go back through your videos that you've uploaded to YouTube and delete the videos that are not performing or the videos that you're not really that proud of, you should absolutely not do that. What ends up happening when you delete previous videos on YouTube, and I'll explain when you should delete a video. When you delete non-performing video, basically what happens is, even if that video has, let's say, 10 views, those 10 views gave YouTube data about the type of people that do like and don't like that type of video or that type of content. Now, YouTube uses that to suggest and to rank in search your upcoming videos, right? Anything you're published since that upload. It uses data aggregated from all your videos to figure that out. Now, every time you delete the video, you also delete the data that goes along with that video that YouTube has. So the more you do that, the slower for YouTube to show your videos. At one point, I was completely dominating the search on my main channel around Instagram. I had the best video, the #1 video on YouTube on how to use Instagram, and lots of related videos on how to use Instagram for business and things like that. And I went back and deleted some of the older Instagram videos that I had made. And the next time I uploaded a video related to Instagram, it absolutely did nothing. It did not rank in search. It didn't get suggested. Nothing happened. And that completely hurt that channel. And I did the same thing to my filmmaking channel back in the day around the same type of concept. And then it took like 6 months for that channel to start recommending the same type of content. And that was just one video that I deleted that had a good amount of views. Now, in one case, I did delete videos that I had to delete, because sometimes if you think for some reason you created a video and you weren't aware of maybe copyright music or YouTube guidelines, and that video is still there and it didn't get a strike from YouTube, and you're worried about it, you should 100% get rid of that video. It's just not worth the worry of every time you log into YouTube thinking one of your videos is gonna get taken down by YouTube. So in one of my channels, I did have that thought. So I did go back and delete some of those videos. And it did hurt the channel, but it was worth the relief that I got by knowing, hey, I don't have anything on my channel that YouTube may find suspicious, or it may be breaking the YouTube community guidelines or copyright guidelines. If a portion of your video, though, is in question, you could use the YouTube editor and take that out without replacing or deleting that whole video. So that is part of the YouTube Creator Studio under YouTube Editor. And by the way, one of the videos that I would have deleted if I followed this advice of basically deleting old videos eventually ended up getting almost 1 million views on YouTube. It just didn't hit search for almost a whole year. So for a whole year, it only had a few hundred views, and I would have deleted it if I was just deleting non-performing videos. So because YouTube has a long shelf life for videos that could be search-based, that's another reason why not to delete videos. So I hope you found this video useful. Again, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel from scratch and you're having a hard time, I did put together a training that walks you through the 3-step process that I've used to grow my main channel to over 100 million views and monetize 4 channels in total. That is completely free, linked below. Thanks so much for all your time. I'll see you on the next video.